Hello everyone, I am Eliza Ablanya, 2ITC, and this is the group of Error 404. The information systems were created internally at Soneo Furniture. I believe the cause of this is because Soneo Furniture began out relatively tiny, and as the firm grew, more demands on it led to the development and expansion of the system. By doing this, the initial expenditures of buying systems that would be ineffective given the scale of the organization might be reduced. As a result, the business was also able to create a customized and effective system for itself. The other options were available is workshop. Why pick a workshop when another approach like a study group, a class on a job training, etc. would be better? A workshop offers certain benefits over these other approaches since there are many various ways to teach people things and because individuals learn things in different ways, making it a good choice in some situations.
Dangal greetings, I am Kathleen Ekel and my student number is 2102110. From the given statement above, the letter B question is, one option to Sonea's furniture was an enterprise-wide system. What features does an enterprise system, such as SAP, provide? What is the primary advantage of an enterprise-wide system? The primary advantage of an enterprise-wide system is that it can provide a single, comprehensive view of company's operations and data, making it easier for decision-makers to access and analyze information from different functional areas in order to make informed business decisions. This can help improve efficiency, reduce errors and duplication of work, and improve decision-making. This can help improve efficiency and productivity and can also support strategic planning and decision-making. Additionally, an enterprise-wide system can help automate and streamline various business processes, reducing the need for manual data entry and improving the accuracy and consistency of data across the organization.
Good day, Dangal greetings. I'm Marilee R. Arevalo and I'm here to discuss the number 3 question. Sono Furniture will be hiring 2 system analysts next month. Your task is to develop a job advertisement for these positions. Locate several websites or newspapers that have job advertisements for system analysts. What skills are required? The academic background for work as a system analyst varies. Most occupations require a bachelor's degree in computer science or a related subject. However, because system analyst professions involve interpersonal skills, liberal arts majors are more likely to get hired. Liberal arts professionals might consider taking ongoing training seminars to master computer technologies and software web design or coding. Large organizations and financial institutions frequently seek people with a master's diploma in business administration. Students can take these programs or degrees digitally through programs designed for working professionals who want to work part-time or full-time.
Hello, I'm Neymar De Los Santos from 2ITC and my student number is 2102168. What type of information systems are currently utilized at Soneo Furniture? Provide an example of each type. The 6 key categories of information systems, including transaction processing systems, office automation systems, knowledge work systems, management information systems, decision support systems, and executive support systems, are being used at Soneo Furniture. After covering the fundamentals, let's examine the 6 main categories of information system. Although this list is not exhaustive, most corporations and organizations have the following 6 information systems, each of which supports a distinct organizational level.
Case diagram for Soneo Furniture. Explain in details your use case as well your assumptions. A behavioral diagram type called a use case diagram is widely employed to evaluate different systems. They provide you with the ability to see many kinds of roles in a system and their interactions with it. The following topics will be covered in this use case diagram lesson to aid in your use case creation. As we'll already discussed, use case diagrams are used to collect system usage requirements. This data may be used in several ways depending on your needs. Here are few applications for them. The main goal of use case diagram is to identify function and relationships between roles and functions. When the presenting it to manager or other stakeholders, this is very helpful for getting high-level picture of system without delving too deeply into the system inner workings. You might emphasize the roles that interact with it and the functionality it offers.
Level 1 DFDs delve into greater depth than a context diagram. The single process node from the context diagram is divided into sub-processes in Level 1 DFD. The diagram will require more data flows and data storage when new processes are introduced to connect them. This might involve adding the room selection and inquiry procedures as well as data storage to the reservation system in the hotel reservation scenario. The DFD Level 1 is the context diagram's detonated view. Its purpose is to clarify the idea from the context diagram. The design diagram portrays three different scenarios: order furniture, generate reports, and order inventory. The customer goes to 1.0, which is order furniture, and goes to logistics department and Saneo furniture, then assist the bill and give it to the customer. The order furniture goes to generate reports and report it to the sales manager. The sales managers proceed to 3.0, which is the order inventory, and ends with the supplier.
Create an ERD for Soneo Furniture. Explain in details your ERD creation as well as your assumption. In software development, entity relationship diagrams are used throughout the planning phase of a software project. They help identify various system components and connections between them. It is also known as a data flow diagram or DFD and is often used as basis for it. Data modeling became essential in 1970s, but there was no established method for modeling databases and business processes. Despite several suggestions and discussions, there was no widely accepted solution. In his article, Entity Relationship Model Towards a Unified View of Data, Peter Chan is credited with developing his ER model, which is now widely accepted. He also created a diagram model for database design, but its focus was on entities and relationships.